Hi guys, good morning. Today we are taking some miscellaneous problem of permutation and combination. In this topic, we see how we can use permutation and combination together in any particular problem. So let's say problem. Problem is here. How many words with or without meaning? Condition is given, each of 3 vowels and 2 consonants. Means in word there should be 5 letters. Out of 5 letters, 3 should be vowels and 2 should be consonants. Can be formed from the letter of the word involved. So in the solution, like here in the word involute, involute, there are 4 vowels, that is, which are I, V, O, U and E. There are 4 I, O, U, V. Right? And 4 consonants. Remaining all are consonant N, V, L or T. So in this word we are given 4 vowels and 4 consonants. But condition what? We need 3 vowels. So out of 4 we select the 3. So that's why it is a selection. Because we need a word with the 3 vowels and 2 consonants. It means at a time we need 3 vowels. But we are given as 4. So out of 4 we have to select. That's why first we use the combination. So 3 can be selected out of 4 vowels in 4C 3 ways. We can select 3 vowels out of 4 in 4C 3 ways. Now similarly it says we need the 2 consonants. So the number of way of selecting 2 consonants, the number of way selecting 2 consonants out of 4 is 4C2. So in how many ways we can select 2 consonants out of 4, that is 4C2. Clear? Now you can separately solve these one. Therefore the number of combination. Therefore the number of combinations of 4 of what you can write words with 4 vowels and 2 consonants. Sorry, 3 vowels and 2 consonants. Therefore, the number of combinations. How many combinations? That will depend on the multiple of the event happening. So first event happening in 4C 3 way and second event happen in 4C 2 way. So we have to multiply both the event by using the principle of counting. That is, this can be multiplied in 4C3 into 4C2. So 4C3 you can separately solve. The value of 4C3 will be 4 and value of 4C2 using the formula, that is 6. So 4 into 6, that is 24. Now these 24 are the combination. We see here, these are the number of combination in which one can select. But again we need the word. Like suppose if one combination is in the 5 letters, like I, N, B, O, L, T. Clear? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Suppose this is 1. This is the one combination is there. But still they can be change their positions. They can be rearranged themselves. These 4 or 5 can be rearranged like this. N, B, O, T, L or B, N, B, T, L or so many. And you know that in each combination there is a permutation. We have also seen formula that will depend on the number of selecting objects, like factorial 2 or factorial 3 we discussed. Now here we are selecting how many letters at a time? 5. 3 vowels and 2 consonants. So in each combination there is factorial 4, factorial 5 is the permutation. So you may write here one more line, that is in each of these 24 combinations, in each of 24 combinations, in each of these 24 combinations has 5 letters which can be as 5 letters can be arranged among themselves so as 5 letters can be arranged themselves, can be arranged themselves in factorial 5 ways. So this is factorial 5 way, each word can be solved. So we have total 24 combinations. So 24 into factorial 5, that will be the required number. Therefore the required number of different words, so required number of words equal to 24 into factorial 5. So you can multiply 24 into factorial 5, that will give you 2880. So this is very important when we have this type of a problem where you can say condition are given how many words with or without meaning. Now here condition is given, there should be 3 words and 2 consonants. It means out of this letter, 8 letters are given. Out of 8 letters, we have to select at a time 5. Word of the 5 letter we need, in which 3 vowels are there, 2 consonants. So for such type of problem, first of all we have to use the combination, because first is selection. How many way we can select 3 vowels out of 4 vowels, and in how many way we can select the consonants out of 4, 2 consonants are there. So selection is there, that's why we are using the combination. After selecting, again there is a possibility of rearranging the word, letters of the word, because we when write, the position is again important. Clear? Then like this N, B, L, T if you are writing. If you are changing N and B, we get a different letter or some word. So or T and L, if you interchange, then again we get a letter. That's why we can, after selection, there is an arrangement of the letter. So we use the permutations, and we know that if factorial n, already we have used formula, n letters are there given and new letter of n, then it will be factorial n. So here 5 letters word is there, so 5 letter word can be arranged in factorial 5 way. That's why we need each word can be of 5 letter arranged in factorial 5, but we have how many words? 24. So 24 into factorial 5. So total required word with or without meaning are 2880. So problem what state a group consists of 4 girls and 7 boys. So total number of students are given 11. Out of 11, there are 4 girls and 7 boys. Now we have to say how many ways can a team of 5 members. We need a team of 5 members only. At a time we need 5. Now there are some conditions in the team. First is no girl. It means all are boys. Clear? So first part you can say in solution. No girl. It means all 5 members are boys. So now we have to select how many members, that is 5. So 5 boys can be selected out of 7 boys. Available boys are 7. So out of 7 we have to select 5. 7 boys are given. Out of 7 we need a member of team 5. Condition says no girl. It means all are boys. So you can select boys in how many ways? In 7, 6, 5. Clear? So now you solve this. Factorial 7 upon factorial 5 into 7 minus 5. So this is 7 into 6 into 5. Factorial 5 into factorial 2. So 7, 2, 3. That is 21. So this is the number of ways in which we can select a team of 5 members where there is no girl. So 21 teams are there, or such 21 teams are there in which there is no girl. Clear? Now second says at least 1 boy and 1 girl can be there in every team. Therefore team consists in second part at least 1 girl and 1 boy in the team. Can be formed in the following way. Now we have to select a team in which at least 1 girl and 1 boy should be there. So like cases may be again there. Some cases are there. 1 girl plus remaining should be boy. If you take 1 girl, at least 1 we need. So 1 girl but we need member 5. Then 4 boy. So 1 girl plus 4 boy total. So can we select or selected in how many ways? We can select 1 girl out of 4. So 4C1 into we have to select 4 boy out of 7. 7 say 4. So you can simplify this. Factorial 4 factorial 1 into 4 minus 1 into 7C4 factorial 7 into factorial 4 into 7 minus 4. So you can solve 4. This is 4 and value of this will be 7C4 into that is 140. इसको solve कर लेना. That will be 140. 7C4 4C1 140. You can simplify this. Now second case of this part. Second case or sub case. Now here we are taking 1 girl, now 2 girl and remaining boy, that is 3, can be selected in. Now out of 4 girls we have to select 2 girls, that is 4 say 2 into we have to select 3 boys out of 7, then 7 say 3. So again use the formula of combination and simplify. That will gives you 210. If you simplify, this is 210. I am writing down. You can rough work solve this. C part. Then 3 girls plus 2 boys. Now 3 girls, 2 boys. Because our condition is at least 1 boy and girl. Right? So that will fulfill here. Can be selected in. Now 3 girls out of 4 girls. That is 4 say 3. 7 say 4. 4 say 3 into 7 C 4, that can be written as 84. You can simplify this. Then last option, that is B, that is 4 girls then 1 boy. Now next is not possible, can be selected. 4 girls out of 4, that is 4 say 4. 7, 1 boy out of 7, so 7 say 1. So this is 7 into 1. If you multiply, that will be again a 7. Clear? So this is 7. Now these are the subparts. So total what we need, at least 1 girl. In all these cases, there is at least 1 boy and 1 girl. In all these girls. So total required number of teams. Total required number of teams is equal to, you add on 7 plus 84 plus 210 plus 140. All cases will be added and that will be 441, which is 441. Clear? So in this way one can solve. Now next is third part, at least 3 girls. This subpart C.
Sir, second part मत मिटाना.
So this is say at least 3 girls. So at least 3 girls, it means in each team there should be 3 or 4 girls. At least 3. So there may be 3 or there may be 4. Because total maximum number of girls are given 4. So at least 3 means there are only 2 cases. It may contain team 3 girls or team may contain 4 girls. So you can say third part, at least 3 girls means team consists of either 3 girls or 4 girls. Only 2 cases are there here. So first case, 3 girls, then remaining 2 will be boys, and B can be selected. We can write together, can be selected. Already we have solved this. We have already done this. 3 girls, 2 boys. This is it. 3 girls, 2 boys can be selected in 4C3 into 7C 2B. So 4C3 into 7C2. That is at a 4. Similarly, second case, at least 3 girls or 4 girls. This is 4 girls. Then remaining 1 is boy only. Because we need total maximum member 5. 4 girls are there, then 1 left member is a boy. Can be selected in how many ways? 4C4 into 7C1. That will also be solved. That is 7. This is also we have done. So now total required number of teams. In this case, required number of teams are 84 plus 7, that is 91. So in this way, one can solve the problem. So say find the number of what? You have to find the number of words with or without meaning that can be formed by using all the letters of the word again, A, G, A, I again. Now again say if these letters are written according to the dictionary, then which word will be the 15th word? So this is very important. You can see here. So first part is directly without any restriction. There are 5 letters. In solution you write. There are 5 letters in the word again, and we are using all at a time. So there is no selection. Clear? We are using all letters again, but here repetition is there. Here 2 A's. Here we have 2 A's. So we use the formula of repetition of the or identical. So number of words with or without meaning which can be formed are total letter factorial 5. How many repeating? Only 2. So we use formula factorial n upon factorial p1 into factorial p2 into factorial p3. So you can simplify 5 into 4 into 3 into 2. 20 and 60. So there are 60 letters. Clear? Now problem what say? Second part say if these words are written as in dictionary, which word will be the 50th word? So you know that to get the number of words starting with A, as dictionary, if you are writing, then in dictionary we are search out the letter first with the A, then B, then C, D, E. In this way we can write all the letters. So first up we write all the letters starting with the A. So you make A as a fixed. Clear? So we can write here all words start with A. Now we have to find all letters, all words which are starting with A. So A we can fix here. A suppose we fix here, then now remaining position are 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. A is already fixed. So 4 positions are there and 4 letters are there. So we have already seen the permutation. How many permutation can be formed with the 4 objects, and all are different. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is factorial 4. So all words start with A are factorial 4, which is 24. Clear? A is fixed. Then again we start with after A. This A, both are same, we can one fix, then another will be A here, another letter. Now after A, according to ABCD or dictionary, we can say their letter will be G. After A, G. So all letters, also words start with G. Now G is fixed. Here we make G fixed, remaining 4. So how many G is fixed? Then there are 2A. Both are repeating like this. So repetition is again there. So that's why we use this formula. So factorial 4 upon factorial 2. That is 12. So 12 letters are there for G. Similarly, the number of words with the after G letter will be I. Clear? So you can say all words start with A, I. So if you take here I as a fixed and 4 vacant seats are there, and all 4 can be filled by either A, G, A or N. So here again 2 letters are repeating. That is factorial 4 upon factorial 2. That is not 12. Now you see how many total letters in all 3 cases. Total words are here. 48, 24 plus 12 plus 12. Total 48 letters are there that are either start with A, G or I. Now you can easily say after I there are letters will start from N. So 49th letter or word will be the 49th word will be. So English dictionary, according to English dictionary, if you are taking first letter is N, then second will be A, then also A. According to dictionary, if you find first letter is N and then remaining you have to search out which one is the first. First will be A, so N, A, then G, and left is I. This is 49. The last after this, that is our required 50th word. Only N, A. Now G replace as I. This position after G will be I. So left G. So this letter will be the 50th letter according to the dictionary. Clear? So in this way we can easily find the letters. So one can review this one. This problem says find the number of words with or without meaning which can be formed using all the letter of the word again. Means here we are using all the 5 letter of the word. So here 2 letter are repeating. It means you can use formula of some objects are identical. So factorial 5 upon factorial 2. Why upon 2? Because there are 2 a identical. So total number of words with or without will be 60. Now second part says if these words are written in the dictionary, what will be the 50th word? You have to find the 50th word. Then all these you can arrange in the dictionary. Means first letter, all the letters which are starting with A. So if you are taking A as a fixed, so one position is fixed and one letter is left. Only left 4 letter and all are different. So 4 can be arranged themselves. Factorial 4, 24. Then with the G is fixed, remaining 4 letters. But out of 4 there are 2 A's. So factorial 4 upon factorial 2, that is 12. Similarly, we fix I, there are 4 letters. Then again there are